Hello and welcome back. Let's take a look at all the new coding features made available in SAS Viya 2024.07. Let's dive in.
Clock is ticking, deadline's near, it is time to go. Hard Proc Viya, Hard Proc Viya.
With SAS Viya 2024.07, we see enhancement to 4 Procs, and we also see a new API endpoint that I want to give you some help with and to power charge your journey into it. So the new enhanced proc is proc SV select, where we now get a restrict statement to help us specify restrictions on scale model regression parameters. There is a demonstration in here, of course, and you can see the restrict statement down here. Of course, you can have much more complicated formulas in this restrict statement. This is just a very basic condition to get you started and to give you an impression of what it looks like. And scrolling through all the run details, we get to a lot of enhancement that have been made to the forecasting documentation. So here you can see that there has been a number of updates to the automatic time series modeling package, the external language package, the time series analysis package, and the utility package. And in the external language package, we also get a new variable in the out text log table, which helps you to identify how long your specific user count ran in between your stuff. So for example, if you run Python code or R code as part of your TS model procedure, then you can now directly see how long that specific step took within the runtime. Here's an example, of course, and you get the output table again. Now, let's switch to the big one, the SAS Viya, the new REST API made available with the 2024.07 release. With that, we are first going to take a look at the new SAS Viya glossary REST API documentation. Here we are at developer.sas.com, which is your home if you want to create anything around the SAS Viya APIs. And if we look into the glossary API endpoint, we can see we have 2 big API endpoints here, one around term types and one around terms themselves. So enabling you to really interact with it, to programmatically create, update, delete, and manage those term types and the terms as well. And in here, I have created and provided you with almost all of the endpoints implemented in here. So for example, if you want to retrieve a list of all the different term types available in your current environment, off you go. There is also examples on how to create new term types, how to delete the ones you already created, and of course the same goes for terms. So also there, how to list what you have available, how to create new ones programmatically, and also how to delete them. This code completely runs standalone, and if you would run it, it would actually clean up everything after itself. So there is no weird artifact left over in your catalog after you ran this code. This is a really powerful new integration, allowing you to automate more of your daily work within the glossary inside of SAS Information Catalog. I hope you found these updates as exciting as I have. And especially check out developer.sas.com. I cannot recommend this documentation highly enough. It's so much fun to dig in all of the different API endpoints and come up with new and awesome integration use cases. See you next time. Bye bye.